you want to create a presentation, you need to be able to use images. Okay, so our first piece on this, why are images important? Kind of thinking about that. Is more impact or pictures, images here. So let's go ahead and get into pairs. Coach Sims, does it look like everyone has, seating arrangement wise, a person that they can talk to in a group of 2 or 3?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, awesome. Then go ahead and turn to the and give me a hands up. Yeah, you can raise your hand when you know that you have a partner you can talk to. Okay, I see Jose is ready to go. Darby's ready to go. Who else here? Odalis as well. I see a thumbs up from Chris, Maddie, and Jacqueline. If you haven't yet, raise a hand when you know you've got a partner. I see Rosie. I see student 796. Okay, Alicia, Emily. Okay, we're all set. Then go ahead and talk to your partner for about a minute, and I'll ask a few of us to share. What do you think is more important, words or pictures, and why? Go for it.